Let's buy Moonswatch. Moonswatch, yeah!
Prosper, yop la boum, c'est le chéri de Cédar.
Hello watch enthusiasts. After one of these, and one of these, I finally could manage to get into the Swatch boutique. This is the entire collection of the bioceramic Moonswatch. You see, they are very attractive timepieces inspired by Omega Moonwatch. For me, the most beautiful are Mission to Mars, Mission to Uranus, which is Tiffany Blue Dial, and Mission to Mercury. Mission to the Sun is also interesting. It has got yellow sunburst dial, which is very bright in color, but I did not find it very attractive, so I decided to go for the Mission to Mars version, which is inspired by the Alaska Project Speedmaster. For now, still these watches are out of stock. 3 Swatch boutiques in London get random deliveries once a week, and the stock lasts just 3 hours after opening the shop. So every morning you have to queue up, and if you get lucky enough to come across to the new delivery, it doesn't mean that the purchase is guaranteed, because the flipper, some of them, or flippers, they just block the entrance and fight always breaks out, and as a result the store manager shuts down the boutique or refuses selling any Moonswatch to anyone, so you have to come back next day and start over the queue again, so which is very frustrating and annoying. Now let's discuss the piece itself. This is very light plastic watch which comes in a cardboard box, which has got manuals and a watch holder inside. I do not know chemical compounds of bioceramic itself. Omega markets it as a something special compound, but for me it feels very plasticky. The watch is so light you might think that you got an empty coffee cup in your hand, and it doesn't have weight at all. I cannot say this about the crown and pushers. They are very dense and higher grade plastic, so maybe these compounds are in here. As you see, the watch has got 3 subdials inspired by Alaska Project Speedmaster, which is very handsome feature here. The subdial have hands with rockets, and it was the deal maker for me. That's why I chose the Mission to Mars version, because I would not buy the real deal Speedmaster of the Alaska project, which is very expensive for now. It also has got this white tachymeter bezel. You got dot over 90 here, which is very nice feature, which has new Speedmaster also. The dial is also step dial as a new Speedmaster, where in the middle of the watch is raised up and the surroundings are pushed down, and it has Swatch logo crystal on the crystal engraved, which is not visible here in the camera. What about the case back? It has got a battery cup. As you know, Swatch watches, you can remove battery and push it down. It has got print of Mars planet. Other watches have got same planets, what they are named after. So the Earth one is the most beautiful for me. So for me, it was very hard to find the perfect fit on the wrist of the watch. It wears like real Speedmaster on my under 17 centimeter wrist, but it's very light though. So this Velcro band, which has got Omega on one side and the Swatch on another side, is not very comfy. You see, you have to tighten it up a lot to find a good fit. So I do not like my watches wear very tight on my wrist, so that is slight inconvenience for me. When you turn over the strap, it says Speedmaster, which is a very nice feature and highlights the premium feel of the watch. Overall, Moonswatches are so popular because for £207 you get Omega written on your watch dial, which is very nice value proposition. So even the cheapest quartz pieces of Omega trade over £2,000, and so some people, for some people, they can see bang for the buck in here. The piece performs well in different light conditions, especially outside. It's very attractive to look at. One thing I found hard is reading time, because in dices are the same color and the dial itself, so it's quite contrast. It's not here, even though overall the piece looks quite handsome. If you observe closely, the quality is not there. Some people notice the color blends on your wrist because it's for the plastic, and you might end up with a red wrist, especially after sweat or after very tough wear. What about lume? Is fine, it's there, but it's not something special. But you can't expect more from £207 watch. Currently, even though Swatch Group claims Moonswatches are available and you can get hands on the piece, the stock is very limited. If you are lucky enough, you should get one, because as I heard that this is limited period of collaboration between Omega and Swatch, and soon that will be discounted. So the production would be halted, it would be discontinued, and the prices would rise more and more. Just for the quick comparison, I would like to show how does Moonwatch look like next to the proper watch, which is Tudor GMT. I've been having this for more than 2 years now. So you see they're in different style and unique, but Moonswatch looks very attractive next to the Tudor, so it's not very slouching here. So you can wear it very nicely every day. Cheap watch, you can enjoy it if you can buy. So this was all I wanted to say. Thank you. Catch you in the next video, guys. Thanks.